Did you know that the most expensive mansion in America comes complete with its own 4-lane bowling alley, a private cinema, and a wine sanctuary housing a jaw-dropping 10,000 bottles? Today, we invite you to explore the 105,000 square feet Bel Air House, an architectural marvel valued at approximately $150 million. This is not just a dwelling. It is an ode to extravagance, a creation that stands as the pinnacle of opulent living, curated by none other than the visionary real estate virtuoso, Nile Nyami. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Exterior. The One boasts a jaw-dropping array of amenities, including a 4-lane bowling alley, a tennis court fit for champions, and a wine sanctuary harboring a staggering 10,000 bottles. But that's just the beginning. It features 5 resplendent swimming pools, a poolside spa, a pulsating nightclub, a 32-seat movie theater, art galleries, and a billiards room that exudes sophistication. Not to forget, a 50-car garage to house your impressive automobile ensemble. Interior. Now let's delve into the interior of The One. Paul McLean, collaborating with Catherine Rotunda of KSR Design, made the interiors come to life with splendor, breathing soul into Nyami's vision. The captivating vistas of the Pacific Ocean, downtown Los Angeles, and the majestic San Gabriel Mountains await as you step into the heart of the mansion. The Creator. This mansion is acclaimed as the embodiment of luxury, standing as a testimony to its status as the most expensive dwelling in America. But let's take a moment to appreciate the genius behind this masterpiece. Nile Nyami's journey. The One is the brainchild of Nile Nyami, a maverick developer renowned for crafting ultra-high-end mansions that redefine opulence. His journey began almost a decade ago, with Hollywood Hills homes valued at a mere $20 million. But as time marched forward, his vision expanded, encompassing grander and bolder projects that found favor with luminaries like Diddy, Floyd Mayweather, Calvin Klein, and the Winklevoss twins. The transformation. The tale commences with Nile Nyami's acquisition of an 8-acre promontory for $28 million, formerly owned by the late heiress Rita Kogan. A transformational odyssey commenced, driven by an $82.5 million infusion from Hankey Capital in 2018. Nyami's audacity and ambition were the crucible for an extravagant design that promised an unrivaled experience of luxury. Vision unveiled. In 2015, a window into this opulent universe was offered through Nyami's interview with GQ, unveiling his vision for the property. A room dedicated to live jellyfish, chambers for vibrant blooms. These were the visions that stirred imagination. However, some of these aspirations met a humbling fate. The jellyfish sanctuary proved both exorbitant and unfeasible. Nevertheless, the extravagance endured. Design elements. Sculptures and bridges stand amid water, creating an immersive experience that resonates with the senses. Water, a design element that transitions your surroundings. The palette of black, white, and gray is a homage to Nyami's yearning for a neutral canvas that allows the landscape and panoramas to shine. Entertainment and living spaces. The separation of entertainment and living spaces on different levels lends the mansion an air of sophistication. There are 9 bedrooms within the main house, another 8 in the staff quarters, and 3 more in the guest house. The master suite, grander than many suburban mansions, boasts a private swimming pool, a lavish hot tub, and rose gold themed dressing rooms. A television that spans 360 degrees, emerging seamlessly from the wall. A master suite spanning 5,500 square feet. A gallery in the 50-car garage adorned with display turntables. Amenities: a 32-seat movie theater and a philanthropy wing equipped to host charity galas for up to 200 guests, accompanied by floating pods that offer stunning vistas of Los Angeles. A 4-lane bowling alley primed for your delight, and a spa level that beckons relaxation. The One also has a sky deck of 10,000 square feet, replete with a putting green, and a wellness haven featuring 2 treatment rooms and a hot tub. All to the soothing sounds of Sonos. A glass-encased contemporary showcase houses a cinema-quality home theater, and a beauty salon bathed in the hues of burgundy and rose gold. Within this masterpiece, a staggering $10 million worth of AV equipment commands its own space, spanning a sprawling 5,500 square feet. Now on the eastern wing of the mansion, an enticing bar awaits, with an adjoining wine and champagne room capable of housing an impressive 5,000 bottles. The One has 5 distinct swimming pools, from the Olympic-sized indoor pool with lounging decks, to the saltwater indoor pool adorned with mesmerizing LED lights. Each pool offers an experience that transcends the ordinary. The guest house, cocooned by a serene lavender garden, is graced by an infinity pool that promises indulgence. The tennis court, double the size of its regular counterpart, offers an expanse of possibilities. Behind the scenes, staff quarters stand ready, accommodating 40 members in spacious comfort. And there you have it! Numbers and pictures hardly suffice to capture the sheer scale of the One. To truly grasp its grandeur, venture out for a leisurely stroll. This mansion stretches over a quarter-mile stretch along Stella Road in Bel Air, an imposing presence that dominates the landscape, a testament to its magnificence. As of yet, the mansion's elusive price tag remains $150 million, but one certainty prevails. It shatters records, redefines luxury, and stands as a monument to Nile Nyami's audacious spirit. If you liked our content and would like to see more of these amazing luxuries, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified of our next epic video.